Hi everybody, Cheri aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today with a review of my new favorite grinder, and that is the Ludist grinder. I've got two of them here. I love this new product, and it's not very expensive. It's great for your home, or it makes a terrific gift too. Before I get into the full review though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. Oh, and by the way, if you like my $4.19 Got a Minute shirt, those are available on my website. There'll be a link in the comments below, along with some other fun cannabis-inspired designs. Okay, back to the Ludist grinder. This is a great little grinder. I have to say this year, all kind of companies have sent me various grinders. I've gotten quite a few. And if you look through my past videos, you'll notice that I haven't reviewed any of them. And that's because I really didn't like any of them. They were high-tech, they were expensive, they were modular, they looked cool, but none of these grinders that I was sent prior to this one worked very well. And I finally realized I don't even have a good basic grinder. And that's what this is, a really good basic grinder. I love the lightness of the aluminum design, although it does have a stainless steel keef screen in it. I like the matte styling of it. It's very low-key and stylish, comes in a couple of different colors. It grinds the weed exceptionally well. Another problem I had with some of those high-tech grinders I was sent this year, like one of them, and I think it was over $100 for this grinder, and it ground the weed like to a fine powder. Even though it supposedly had several grinding options, it really didn't. I love the grind. It's a nice fluffy grind. I'm going to show it to you in a minute, but I do want to show you the inside of this. We have been using both of these grinders. I'm staying with some friends right now in Humboldt, some heavy weed smokers. We've been putting them to the test, and one thing is that a lot doesn't stick to them. You know how sometimes your grinders get gunky and sticky right away? These two have been working overtime for the past several weeks, and neither one of them is very dirty or sticky. I mean, there's a little bit of resin in there, but not a whole lot. So they're not very sticky. I do like that. They have several compartments. We have these grinding, I think, how many grinding heads are there in there? 21 diamond teeth featuring 4 cutting edges to the grinding teeth that will evenly grind the weed. Before we do that, I want to take this off. There's another chamber here below with the stainless steel screen, and then a chamber below that catches the keef. So that's always a nice feature to have in a grinder, and it all goes together very easily, as you can see, and just like that. Also, it comes with tools to clean it. There's a little pick here. I don't know if you can see that. A little brush and a little scraper. Those came with it. If I had any complaint at all, it's not even a complaint, but it would be like a wish list. If there was a way to attach those somewhere other than in the keef screen where they're going to get covered in keef, that would be great. Because I know I'm going to lose those little tools, and I know that you guys are going to as well. But other than that, you can always get a pick to clean your grinder or a brush. So I'm going to show you how this works. As I said, there's nothing really fancy about this grinder. It's just a really good functional grinder. So I've loaded quite a lot of weed in there, as you can see. I probably shouldn't have put any in the middle because it doesn't grind in the middle. And we're just going to turn that and move that across there so you can see what it does at the end. And we're going to dump that out like that. And I'll open this up and dump that out. And it works very quickly, very well, very smoothly, no stickiness. As you can see, I have a nice fluffy pile ready to be rolled into joints, packed into a bowl, or for however you like to use your weed. This is a small independent mom and pop company, so I do like supporting those kind of businesses as well. So check out the link below for Ludist Grinders. Again, makes a great gift, and a great gift for yourself too. See you all next time.